I'm 𝐂𝐸 over here, and this right here is Lotus Elise S1 Sport 135. First things first, this is one of my dream cars, and I'm really so very happy to finally have it on hand. Let's have a closer look. Just have a look at this head-turning, jaw-dropping, absolutely timeless design. Comes in iconic British racing green paintwork. This car is truly a work of art. Just look at it, so beautiful. Rear-wheel drive, mid-engined, that produces officially 135 horsepower. However, unofficially the figure is closer to 145. However, this car weighs only 700 plus, which makes it an absolute bullet on the road. Just look at behind, so beautiful. I really love how the exhaust pipe is coming out right from the middle. Very supercar-like. By the way, this spoiler is exclusive to 135 models, out of factory. Also, hardtop is out of factory. Just look, guys, so beautiful. Look at these air intakes. Very nice, functional, yet absolutely beautiful. Also, this car out of factory comes with magnesium alloy wheels, which are super lightweight. I really simply cannot stop looking at this beauty. This is truly one of the most beautiful cars ever made. Now, let's have a peek on the inside. Over here, we have a 3-spoke Momo steering wheel, full leather, very nice to hold, and the cool part, it comes with a quick release. I've never seen a car that comes with a quick release, that means removable steering wheel, out of factory. How cool is that? Also, another highlight is this 5-speed, close ratio, gearbox, which is such a pleasure to shift. Really super crisp, super nice to drive. Such a dream, guys. Also, we have leather, full bucket seats, that hold you very nicely. We even have leather ceiling. How nice is that? Alright guys, look at my face. This is the smile I constantly have on my face whenever I'm driving this car. This is the purest form of driving it can get. Manual gearbox, no power steering, no ABS, no frills of any kind whatsoever. Absolute dream to drive this, and this dream could be yours. On COE, we still have 5 years and 3 months left. A lot of time for you to enjoy. But I don't think you'll be scrapping this car. In fact, in overseas markets, Lotus Elise 1 has already gone up in price by 20% in just last 4 years. This is definitely a keeper for the rest of your life. Depreciation, only 18,000 plus. Cheapest Elise of any year on the market. Previously, this car used to belong to a collector. All the wear and tear have been replaced. All the pipings have been changed from rubber to silicone. And I have also a lot of goodies that come with the car, including the soft top. So, you all know what to do. Call me and I'll give you a good deal.